What?
I said, I love you.
You love me? Who do you love?
I love you.
You love me? You love me because I'm giving you chocolate? You do? You only love me because I'm giving you chocolate? You're mean. Here. What do you say?
Thank you.
Thank you what? Say thank you, Lise. You're welcome. Huh? What?
Thank you.
I can't hear you.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. I love you, Lise.
I love you.
I can't hear you. Keep that in your mouth. What?
I love you.
Aw, I love you too.